So it's about 41 degrees or so outside right now in Mississippi. That is a great time to service a tankless water heater. And here's why. These fins allow insects, especially wasps and dirt daubers, to enter this cabinet and to come in and build nests like this one has. You can see, got plenty of nests. Doing this now, the wasps are not going to be flying in 40 degrees. And the dirt daubers are going to be nice and snug as a bug in their bed. So take this opportunity, these cold mornings, cold afternoons, are cool, below 50 degrees. Come outside out here, open those things up and clean them out and have them serviced once a year.